The Prophet ﷺ once told the Sayyidah Aisha that he engages in remembrance of Allah at all times. And then she asked him, Ya Rasulullah, how can you engage in remembrance of Allah when you're sleeping? You're sleeping. He said, Ya Aisha, my beloved wife, when I'm sleeping, my eyes are asleep, but my heart is still awake. My heart continues to engage in dhikr of Allah. And that's one of the things we teach in our dhikr sessions here, Thursday night dhikr, and so on. In the week, several occasions we do dhikr, and we would teach the students how to do dhikr bil qalb. Third level. So it means that if you achieve that level, then you're doing dhikr all the time. As the heart is beating, you're doing dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.